Hi, I'm Malcolm, the old dog from Old Dog Electronics. Today I'm introducing our compact, low-cost mini house alarm, ideal for smaller homes, granny flats, storerooms and more. It can be installed by someone with a minimum of electrical experience. It's just 120 millimeters square by 45 millimeters high. Runs from a 12-volt DC supply and supports two wired channels plus a panic alarm. It can drive a siren and a strobe up to 20 watts. Channel 1 triggers instantly. Channel 2 can be set for instant or entry-exit delays. We offer two versions of the alarm. One with a key switch to arm and reset the alarm, and one using our unique MagKey, a magnetic tag used to set modes and reset the alarm when you tap the hotspot on the case. Each unit has a unique hotspot location which we mark with a sticker. The alarm has two LEDs to tell you everything. The right LED is for the power, indicates that the power is present. The left LED is the alarm status. Off is standby mode, on is armed mode, and flashing is the alarm triggered while you were away. Now, for this demo, we've connected a buzzer to the siren output and a sensor simulator to its input, plus a battery to power it all. The alarm remembers its last state. If it was armed before shutdown, it powers up armed. If in standby, it remains in standby. Now we'll start the demo in standby mode. Let's power it up. There. Okay, so you can see the right hand LED is on, showing that the unit has power. Did you notice the left hand LED powered up for a second and then went off? That shows that the alarm has booted up and everything is normal. Now, let's talk about the status LED in standby mode. In standby mode, it's normally off. However, if somebody walks past an infrared sensor, for example, in standby mode, the status LED comes on. No alarm is triggered, but that's a diagnostic function so that you can see that your sensors are connected correctly, working properly. A very important point about the standby mode is the panic button is active. So I'll trigger that in a moment. Let me just tell you the siren timing. The siren duration is adjustable from inside the alarm, from a few seconds up to 3 minutes for an intrusion, 4 minutes for a panic. Now we've set the time to minimum for this demo. So let's just press the panic button. There, okay. Now to reset the alarm, there. But now I have to tap it twice because the alarm was in standby mode. Tapping the hotspot puts it in armed mode, but as we're there, we need to just tap it once more to put the alarm back into standby mode. Now, how do you know just which mode this alarm is in when you tap it. Well, as it is now, let's just touch the hotspot. 2 beeps. So now the alarm is going to go into armed mode. Touch it again. 1 beep. It's now back in standby mode. So now when we go to armed mode, we have approximately 20 seconds to leave the area. So we'll touch the alarm with the MagKey. 20 seconds later, we get 2 beeps again to say the alarm is about to be armed. And then the standby LED will come on. There we go. Now, so we wait 20 seconds. We'll get 2 more beeps, and then a couple of seconds after that, the status LED will come on. There we go. There, it's in armed mode now. So if I switch the instant switch here, the alarm will trigger immediately. Okay, so let's just reset that and put it back into armed mode. So we'll wait till it's armed itself, and I'll show you the entry delay. A few more seconds to go. There we go. Right, so now we're armed again. So you enter the area and you trigger the timed sensor. Nothing happens. Well, actually, the alarm has received it, and you've got 10 seconds to get there and reset it to avoid waking up the neighbors. Okay? Now, what's next? There's not much more to tell you. You've seen how the MagKey works. You've seen how the device is used. If you need more information on this, don't hesitate to contact me. My phone number is 072 619 1323. I'm on WhatsApp and Telegram. Thank you very much for your time.